Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to give you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to find the best promo codes for Etihad Airways. So in the first method, you will have to simply come to the official website of etihad.com, and over here you need to try to find the promo codes, offers or discount deals that are available. Like you can get up to 30% off and it is available for 2025. So you can just click on it and you can just take a look at the terms and conditions, and if this offer is interesting to you, you can just avail this offer. So this was the first method, directly from the official website. In the second method, you can just seek help from some other coupon codes websites, like this one, that is worthpenny.com. So you can come over here and search for Etihad. Over here you can see that some of the best offers of today are working, and they have 241 active deals as of January 2025. So here you can just take a look at the deal in which you are interested and click on show coupon. Then it will give you the coupon code which you can copy and you can use it at the time of your booking and at the time of your checkout. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.